easiest way to enroll a student in a course or course bundle in system.io. So if you are selling courses, or if you have a course bundle and you want the students to get enrolled in this course or course bundle immediately, show you the simplest way to do it. Okay, there are multiple ways of doing this thing inside system.io, and it may lead to the confusion. So this video is going to give you the clarity, because I am going to show you the simplest way of doing it, which is which will you will learn within a minute, and you will never confused about how to enroll a student in a course or a course bundle again. So let's just jump in and see how you can do it. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is just open the funnel in which you are actually selling that course or a course bundle. So basically, let's just in my case, let's just open this particular course, Solopreneur Mindset Code. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to actually go to the page editor, the editor where the page where you are actually you have your call to action, right? So this is the page you can see, right? Here I have this particular course, Unlock Mindset Code for Growth as a Solopreneur. Okay, so this is a course and this is a button, call to action. And what will happen, actually it has a pop-up. So whenever someone click this button, what will happen is there is a pop-up. Okay, and when someone fills the detail, the person become the lead, and the person also get the course. Okay, so it's a lead magnet. Now I want to enroll that person in a course, and the easiest way of doing it is you can do it. Okay, so let's just clarify one thing. Okay, if you are giving it for free, then this is the way, and when you are doing a sale also, in that case also the process is going to be the same. Whenever the person fills the data, you can actually do it, follow the same process and enroll that student inside the course or course bundle. Okay, so what you need to do is you actually need to just select this button. Okay, this is the button. The person will hit this button when the person enters the detail. Okay, and now the person wants the course. Okay, so what you need to do, you actually go here and you will use this option, add automation rule. When you will click this, when you will click here, what will happen is you will see this page, and here you can see you can add an action. So you will, when you will click, this list will open, and here you can see different options. Like if you want to add a tag, you can do that. Okay, if you want to add a tag to the email that you have just received, you can do that. You can remove a tag, you can subscribe the person to the campaign, you can unsubscribe the person, you can send a particular email, you can send the specific email to specific email address. Okay, if you want to send an email to a specific email, for example, you want to get notified by yourself, okay, you can do that as well. You can enroll in a course. Okay, you can enroll in a course, you can enroll in a course bundle, right? So these are the two options that we are interested in. Suppose you want to enroll the person in a course bundle, then you will select this option. Okay, this option, and what will happen is here it will give you the option to choose the course bundle. Okay, as right now I don't have a course bundle, I have a course, so it's not showing anything. So let's just cross it, and let's just do it once again for courses. Okay, enroll in a course, and when I will open, you can see all the courses are open. Suppose I want to give access to Solopreneur Mindset Code, I will do that. I will give the full access or drip content, whatever you want, just choose that option. Once you are done, you can add more action. For example, you can choose this option, you want to add a tag. Okay, just select this option and select the tag that you want, you want the person to be tagged. Okay, and then you can save. Okay, as you can see here, here this is the save rule option, you can use it. Okay, but in my case I already have an automation set, so I don't want to do it, but you can do it from here, right? So as you can see, this is a very easy option, because you can just, or you are automating everything while you are building your page. Okay, so when you are building your page in the you will just add the button, and you will do all the automation from here itself. You don't need to go anywhere else. Okay. There are other options as well, so you can use you can use these options, rules and workflows also to achieve the same result. But if you don't want to if you don't want to complicate the things, you can just simply go and do it from there, the thing that I have shown you right now. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what do you think about this particular tutorial. And also I have an exclusive mastermind for paid system.io users. So if you are a free user, or if you are just planning to upgrade to system.io, you can be the part of this mastermind. What you need to do is you just need to join the pay any of the paid plan with my affiliate link. You will get all the details in a page that I have designed. So you will get the link in the description and in the first comment. Just go click the link, see all the details about the mastermind, how you can be the part of it. And when you will go with any of the paid plans with my affiliate link, you will get access to this community, this mastermind, where we will connect on the weekly basis, on the monthly basis, and we will discuss the growth strategies. We will discuss the issues around system.io. Basically, this is all you are getting. Let me just show you what you will get when you will be inside this mastermind. So you will receive monthly mastermind Zoom calls. You will be the part of private Facebook community. You will have the opportunity to collaborate with mastermind members. You will get the opportunity to get featured on my podcast. Okay, podcast interview on the Rishabh Jain show, where you can share your journey. And also you will get the mastermind calls vault. Okay, where you will get the recordings of all the mastermind calls. So these are the things that you will get when you will be the part of this mastermind. And to become the part, I have already told you, just go check the link in the comment section and in the description. All the details are there on the landing page. Okay, so that's all for this particular video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome, stay blessed. Thank you very much.